Welcome, here I've got Sharp Aquos R2 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the video. So here we are. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. Here we can open the advanced camera settings and we have the video settings in the video mode. As you can see here, we have the video stabilization option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.